Welcome! In front of me I have ZEBLAZE Beyond, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch, and you can wake it up by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should see a bunch of icons. One of them should look like the battery icon. This is the power saving mode icon. And to enable the mode, simply tap on the icon, tap on OK, and the mode will be enabled. You will see the icon got highlighted, change the color. This indicates that the mode is enabled, and once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. Okay, to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel again and tap on the icon like that. The icon will go back to the gray color, and also there was this brief message at the top that the power saving mode is disabled. And then you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.